Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're tackling a simple yet essential task: changing the language on your iPhone. Whether you've bought a new phone abroad, moved to a new country, or just want to try something new, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So, let's jump in. Open the Settings app. This is the little gear icon on your home screen. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Language and Region. This is where all the language settings are housed. Tap Add Language. This button is near the bottom of the list. Choose your desired language. Scroll through the alphabetical list or use the search bar at the top. Tap Desired Language. New option will appear at the bottom of the screen. Use selected language or use current language. Go ahead and use desired language. You've successfully changed the language on your iPhone. Here you can see that the new language will appear in the list below. Swipe the new language to the top of the list. This sets it as your primary language. You'll see a confirmation pop up. Tap Continue. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on your iPhone. Remember, you can always come back to this Language and Region section to add, remove, or change your primary language. Thanks for joining me on this quick and easy tutorial.